Hi YouTube. Like most families, mine is quite competitive. Now my grown-up son Tom came to stay with me at Easter and we had a great weekend, but we thought we'd have a bit of fun. So in the run up to Easter, we decided to have a competition around toolkits. So the idea was that we would both put together a mini toolkit. We'd do it a little bit in secrecy. We had a set list, which I'll show next, and then we'd compare them to see who came out the best. For this mini toolkit challenge, we had to put together a small toolkit for the average homeowner, really. So to do a lot of those simple jobs you have around the house. This is the list that we came up with. So a screwdriver stroke bit set, a ratchet socket set, hammer, pry bar, pen or pencil, flashlight, saw, pliers, cutters, spirit level, knife, tape measures, bottle opener, because you need a beer at the end of the day, and an awl. And the idea was to try and get this pretty compact. This is Tom's mini toolkit. Now, first of all, apologies to Tom because I think I probably had a beer when I took this photograph and it's a little bit blurry. I've also added in his Trailmaster Victorinox, which I'd been borrowing to do a review on. So you can see he's got all of the key elements. I'll go through the list next, and he included it in this Irazola screwdriver pouch. Tom has a Weeha stubby and a Milwaukee bit set. He's got a Barco mini ratchet socket set. He's got a combined hammer and pry bar, make unknown. It's been around for quite a while. His pen and pencil, he's got a tracer marking pencil, a Sharpie, and a random ballpoint pen. For the flashlight, he's got a Unilight speaker task light. The saw is a CK jab saw. The pliers are the knipex Cobra XS. The cutters are the knipex high leverage diagonal cutters. The spirit level is stabler and it comes in its own holster. The knife is a Milwaukee Fastback Compact, but of course he's got the Trailmaster as backup. The tape measure is Milwaukee. The bottle opener is Victorinox Trailmaster, so it's on there. And then the awl is also on the Victorinox Trailmaster. I'd guess we'd consider Tom to be a sort of a pro consumer. He is an electrician by trade. So that's Tom's kit. Okay, here's my kit. So it comes in a pouch that came free with a Titan suitcase. So I think you're meant to put your toiletries in it, but it was perfect for this situation. The screwdriver bit set. So I have a cheap Equip screwdriver with a bit set and Helpmate Torx set. I've got Toolkit bits and the Stanley 4-in-1 screwdriver there and a work sewn precision screwdriver. For the ratchet socket set, I've got the Toolkit mini ratchet and then the equipped sockets, and they come with a converter. The hammer, it's a small hammer, it's make unknown. The same for the pry bar. I didn't get it too long ago, but again, that's make unknown. The pen or pencil, I've got an IKEA pencil there with a rubber band thing on it, and I've got a Zebra expanding pen that's in my pocket pouch. The flashlight is an Olight i3T EOS. The saw is a Stanley Fatmax. The pliers are Knipex Cobra XS. The cutters, they're on the Rebar Leatherman. The spirit level, it's make unknown. I think it came free with a TV bracket. The knife is a Stanley 99E. The tape measure is from Wix. The bottle opener is on my Victorinox Pioneer X, and the awl is a small Stanley awl. Here we have the two kits side by side. So hopefully you can remember the contents. So which one of us won? Well, I think it's reasonable to say that I won with the most compact kit. It's in a smaller bag. I think I've probably got a few more items as well. So mine was the most compact. However, if you look at Tom's mini toolkit, I think he's got some of the better tools there. Certainly got a better bit set and saw the knipex cutters as well. So his is more of a semi-pro kit. Now we really need your help here because we're at deadlock. So Tom has the best tools, I have the most compact toolkit. But we need to settle this once and for all. There can be only one winner, and we need your help. Please could you vote? Could you put either Tom or Mark in the comments, whichever one you think is the best toolkit. And then we'll wait 2 weeks after this video's been published. We'll count up the number of Toms, the number of Marks, and whoever gets the most will win. So it'd be great if you can help settle this family contest. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you found the toolkits of use. You might want to try this at home. It was just a bit of fun that we had getting ready for Easter. I hope you've liked the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.